covered the first part of this chapter. Now we are going to continue. Meow. I'm going to catch you. I'm hungry. Oh God. I'm here to eat this cheese, but this cat should not eat me now. I have to run. Oh. The tiger was angry. He hit out his paw as the mosquito, which is tiny little mosquito, was challenging to tiger. So the tiger, the big mighty tiger, said he got angry and he hit out. Hit out is to attack someone by being angry. That is hit out. His paw. Paw is palm. Animals have paw, but humans have palm. The area of the hand area of the front hand area of animals, that is paw. The mosquito flew off. Fly is udna, flying, and flew is the past tense of fly, but flew off is to leave some place. If bird leaves some place, it transfer from this place to another place by flying. That is known as flew off. The bird flew off. ये जगह छोड़ के दूसरी जगह जाना. From depart from some place to another place. That is flew off. What happened next? The paw struck his own cheek. The tiger was trying to catch, or tiger was trying to attack on that mosquito, but mosquito left that place. He left that place. So what happened? The paw, his arm or his palm, tiger's palm, struck on his own cheek. उसे खुद की चाट पड़ गई. That is struck. Struck is a person or a thing get attacked by something. So his cheek, a tiger's cheek, got struck by his own palm. What happened next? The blow scraped his cheek. The blow is the attack. Scrapped is cutting the skin part and started bleeding. Cutting the skin part by nails. So what happened? The blow, the attack, cut the skin part and by nails, and it started bleeding. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. To bleed is flow of blood from skin. Okay, when skin get cut, the flow of blood will be there. So it began to bleed. Began is past tense of begin. The mosquito buzzed away. Again, mosquito buzzed is to move, to fly, flew off, buzzed away. Away is dur. The tiger struck with his other paw. The tiger struck is to attack. He attacked. The tiger attacked by his another paw. The mosquito flew off. Again, mosquito left that place. This time too, what happened this time too? He hit himself. This time too, the tiger hit himself. Okay. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. That is voice of mosquito. So like this, it continued continuously. It started buzzing. Buzzing is the voice of mosquito. So what happened? Tiger got disturbed by such buzzing voice. So the mosquito is continuing this buzzing. Bzz. So what happened? The tiger got up and quietly walked away. So by getting irritated, the tiger walked away. He got up and walked away quietly. Shanti se walked away. This mosquito called out after him. Called out is to challenge someone for fight. So what happened? What he said? Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way. What happened? Mosquito said, don't be so proud. Don't be so pridey. Because everyone is great in his own way. Everyone is different and he is great in his own way. No one is small, no one is big. So everyone is equal. Okay, let's read some words. Angry, gussa. Bleed, bleed is flow of blood. Great, great means excellent, very well. Heat, heat is attacked by someone, attacked or struck by someone, being struck by someone. Proud, proud is ghamandi, garv. Running is fun. What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing? The tiger was dozing. He was taking nap. Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? Because tiger struck with his own paw on his cheek. Next question. Why did the tiger walk away? The mosquito was continuously buzzing around the tiger. The tiger was helpless. That's why tiger got up and quietly walked away. Look at the pictures below. What are the cat and mouse saying? The first picture says meow, meow. I'm going to catch you. I'm hungry. Oh God, I'm here to eat this cheese, but this cat should not eat me now. I have to run. Oh. Chee 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 chee. The second picture says, stop there, little mouse. I'm going to catch you. I'm going to eat you. Meow, meow. Oh no, no, no. Chee 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 chee. Oh no, no, no. The third picture says, idea. I will make this cat run away from this place. Chee 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 chee. Look at me, cat. Chee 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 chee. Oh my God. Oh my God. Meow, meow. Oh my God. Meow, meow. Oh my God. Monster, monster. So what happened in last picture? The mouse got an idea how to make this cat run from this place. He got an idea, so he showed his face through the lens. So what happened? This tiny little mouse was looking as giant mouse to that cat. So the cat ran away from that place. So we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. Thank you. See you soon. Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like. So I ate an omelette instead.